Alright, my people, alright. So now we're looking at functions, and we just be looking at some basic items in functions, right? So the first one says given f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 and g of x is equal to 6x minus 3. And the first one asks us to find the value of f when negative 2 is plugged into the function, and this one asks for g of 4 and f of g. This is what we call a composite function, so we're going to be combining both functions. Similarly, this too, we're going to be combining g of f and find inverse of f. Alright, so let's begin. So f negative 2, what this basically means, you write back the function f of x, right? So this negative 2 will take the value of x. So anywhere say x is, we're going to substitute the value in it. So it will be 2 bracket minus 2 plus 5. Now we know bracket means to multiply, right? So 2 times that would be negative 4 plus 5. And negative 4 plus 5 would be positive 1. And that is the answer. 2 marks at in C2 people. Alright, this one asks for g of 4. So same approach. We simply write back g of x, which is 6x minus 3. And now we substitute the value of x. So 6 times that would be negative 24 and minus 3. Well, both of them are negative, so we simply add and keep the sign. I'm gonna put out a video with the sign too. Alright, this one is a little bit different because what it actually asks us to do is to combine both functions. So we're gonna combine f of g, both of them. Alright, so the rule is we simply write back g first. Now g says 6x minus 3, so we simply write it back. It will be 6x minus 3. Now this g now become x, and now we're gonna be combining f. We're gonna write back f in terms of this, so this become x, right? And now we're gonna be writing f in terms of g. Now f says 2x plus 5. Now if this is x, so it will be 2x plus 5. I will simply remove the bracket. So 2 times that would be 12x minus 2 times 3, 6 plus 5. So therefore f of g of x is 12x minus 1. This is what f of g of x. But they ask us to find f of g of 2. So we're gonna put it 2 in that equation now. So it would be 12x minus 1. So it would be 12 bracket 2 minus 1. And therefore 2 times 12 is 24 minus 1. And 24 minus 1 is equal to 23. And that would be your answer. Alright, now they ask us for g of f. So same rule, write back the last one, which is f. So f is 2x plus 5. So write 2x plus 5. By now you should have realized this is going to become your x. And now we're going to write back g in terms of f. Now g says 6x minus 3, and if this is x, it will be 6x minus 3. So 6 2's 12x and 6 5 30 minus 3. So it will be 12x plus 27. Now remember, we're not finishing, we need to plug in negative 1 now. So it will be, so this is g of f of x, and g of f of negative 1, 12 negative 1 plus 27. So this would give us negative 12 plus 27. So now we need to subtract because the signs are different, but it's gonna be positive. So that would give us 5 and 1. So the answer is 15.